Hey, thanks so much for stopping by. Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's, and I'm going to show you how to make a tasty vegetable coconut curry. The first thing we're going to do is cook off some rice. So we're going to add some jasmine rice to a pot along with some water. What we want to do over high heat is bring this to a boil. Once boiling, we're going to give it a quick stir to mix everything up, add on a lid, turn the heat down to low, and cook it according to the packet instructions. Once it's done cooking, we're going to use a fork to break up everything. We're going to put the lid back on and just set it to the side and keep it warm. In a separate pot, we're going to add in some sesame oil. Next, we're going to add in some finely minced fresh garlic, some finely minced peeled ginger. Saute it for just 3 to 4 minutes until lightly brown. Then I'm going to add in some red curry paste, followed up with a few cans of full-fat coconut milk. Next, just a little bit of soy for some saltiness. We're going to mix all of these ingredients together, and what I usually like to do is switch out for a whisk. Whisk everything until it's broken up. This looks excellent. We're going to add in a few tablespoons of tomato paste just to thicken it up and give it a little bit more color. Perfect. We're going to set this to the side and keep it warm. In a non-stick skillet over high heat, we're going to add in some sesame oil. Once it begins to lightly smoke, I've got some extra firm tofu that I cut into 1-inch pieces. We're going to add this in there and sear them just like searing a steak or chicken. After a few minutes, we're going to come back and give it a few tosses until it's browned on all sides. This looks great. Set it to the side. Now I've got a large pot of boiling salted water. We're going to add in some cauliflower, followed up with some sliced baby Yukon potatoes, and cook them for 3 to 4 minutes. Then we're going to add in some peeled sliced carrots, cook those for 3 to 4 minutes, and then last but not least, some baby sliced bell peppers. We're going to cook this for only 2 minutes, and at this stage, all of the vegetables are done cooking. We're going to drain them off and transfer them right to our coconut curry sauce. Perfect. Now also, don't forget about our pan-seared tofu we're going to add in. Then just about a cup of peas. We're going to stir these in until combined. This looks excellent. At this stage, we're going to serve up several ladlefuls right next to our cooked jasmine rice. And for a few optional garnishes, I like some shredded red cabbage for some color and crunch, some sliced green onions, and then optional sliced almonds or peanuts. This is such a fantastic weeknight or weekend meal.